Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be update number 1 on the New Decade Project Pan. Now this project pan was created by Panning and Stuff. I can't remember her name off the top of my head, but I will leave it on the screen as well as in the description box down below. And it basically was you pick like 10 items that were brand new in your collection and you have to use them up, pan them, whatever your goals was going to be for the new decade. So I decided to join just because I have a bunch of makeup in my collection that have not been used before. But if you want to see the progress I have been making and see the one item that I'm actually going to roll out of the project pan, or maybe 2, I think it's 2, then definitely keep on watching. If you're new here and you're doing this project pan as well, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I'm so grateful that you decided to click this video. Most likely you're just watching people's videos, seeing their progress, seeing their updates, but I do appreciate that you clicked on mine, and I really hope you decide to stay for a while and click the thumbs up button and also subscribe. I love chatting with other project panners, especially when their YouTube has project panning videos as well, just because I kind of suck at project panning and I love a little motivation from time to time. So definitely make sure if you are doing this project pan, comment in the comment section down below and let me know so I can go and support you just as much as you supported me. So now we're just gonna jump right in because it's really late and I want to try to film this video in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna jump right in. So I do write all my project panning and makeup related stuff here. I write my purchases, my empties, my BoxyCharm, Ipsy's, and everything I got, my thoughts on that and everything, as well as any project pans and all of that. I just started this book this year. Last year I wasn't so good at tracking the progress, but this year so far so good. The first thing that I actually have is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. This was brand new. Now I'm not going to say this before every single item because every single item was brand new. So just know that that's why it's called the New Decade Project Pan. It was basically everything that you have brand new in your collection. Blasey, blasey, blah. You don't want to hear it. So I have used this 6 times, which is not... To me, it's not good just because this project pan has been going on since what, January? When did I start it? January or February? I don't know. But it's basically been going on since the new year and I only used it 6 times and we're in April. So I definitely need to start using it. The good thing about this product is that yes, it's a priming moisturizer, but you can use it throughout the day as just a moisturizer and it really does. I mean, I like it for my dry skin. I know I did enjoy it. That's why I was using it 6 times. But I definitely need to use it more. It's not much. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. So I'm pretty sure I could finish this up. So my goal for the next month is to at least use it 12 times. Double that, baby. Next item was the Benefit Gimme Brow, and this was brand new. I got it in IMATS in 2018 and I never opened it. It isn't bad. It didn't smell bad. I took it out the box, whatever. And I used this product 13 times, which once again, if I've been working on it since what, January, maybe February, I think, or whatever. I believe January I started it. I don't know. I didn't write a start date. But 13 times in 4 months, I could do better, especially because it's just a brow gel. It's just most of the time I actually forget to use brow gels. But I definitely plan on using this a lot more. So this product, you know, you can't measure it. You can't see how much product is left. So this is another reason why I'm tracking how many times I use it for products like this. But I definitely hope to be able to use it 25 times in the next month. So I should definitely make sure I do my makeup a lot more. So this next product is the Milani Easy Brow, and this is in the shade, I have no idea, dark brown. So this was brand new like every other thing, and I used this 4 times, and the reason why I only use it 4 times is because I really don't like it. It feels really waxy and I just don't like the way it was like blending into my brows. I really did try to enjoy it. It just wasn't working for me. So unfortunately, this is going to be rolled out. I just don't know how to explain it. I'm not really good at explaining products. I'm just not really good with it at all, but I just don't like it. I would rather give it to a friend. that could possibly use it and love it than just have it here hate panning it. It's bad enough that I am not the best with project panning as well. So the fact for me to think about hate panning it, like panning something that I really truly hate, it just makes me very discouraged, and I just don't want to do that. So I am going to be rolling this out and replacing it with something. So the next thing I only used one time, and it was the ABH Liquid Glow Highlighter in Perler, I don't know. I only used it one time. So the reason why I feel like I only used it one time was just because of the fact that I do have a lot of highlighters in my project pans. For this month, I am going to keep it in just because at this moment, I don't know exactly what I will like replace it with. And I really just don't want to grab anything that I see in front of me to replace it, and then what's going to end up happening is I'm still not going to end up using it. So I want to sit on this product a little bit more because I believe I can use it. It's really, really pretty. Let me swatch it so that way I could see, like, you know, it could count as one-time usage. No, I'm just kidding. But it's really, really pretty. I just really do think that I was focusing on another highlighter. Oh, that is stunning. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it in for now. I'm hoping that within the next month I can at least use it 6 times. I don't even care if I use it for just my inner corner. I just want to use it. And it's so crazy because every single time I did my makeup and I put a highlighter on, right after I had the highlighter on, I was like, oh, darn, I should have picked up the ABH, but I didn't. So my goal is to at least use it 6 times in the next month. I think my goal, man, I didn't write my goals down. I think my goal was to like use half of it or whatever, but it's fine. So the next thing was a Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer. And I actually used this 10 times. So I do have, you know, this much product left. It's not much. I mean, you only really need like 2 pumps of this. I do use other primers as well, and I do have another primer in another project pan, but no matter what, I still try to use this. I need to get back to using it. My skin is always dry no matter what, and I mean, I'm still in my house. It is what it is. But my goal for the next month is to at least use this 15 times. You figured I used it 10 times, and that was in what? 4 months. 15 times should be pretty good. I have a lot of making up to do with this product. I really do enjoy it. It really helps, you know, have the makeup stay longer on my dry skin. So that I'm keeping in. Next item was this In Beauty Project. This was a Power Up Setting Mist. I used this 11 times. It's a real nice setting mist. The mist is really, really fine. It feels really, really refreshing on the skin, and I really do enjoy it. I think I just forgot about it. I really do think that I just forgot about that the product was in a project pan, but I'm definitely going to leave it out so that way I could get some more use out of. My goal is to finish this product by the end of the year, but for the next month, I really hope to at least use it 12 times, which is not so bad. I mean, I have a month, I could use it 12 times. You know what I'm saying? So the next item is this Sephora Micro Smooth foundation powder. Now I use this powder so I can set the rest of my face. I usually set my under eyes and my nose area, my T-zone with a loose powder, and then I set the rest of my face with this pressed powder, and I used it 18 times, which is really, really good. It doesn't look like it. I didn't take a picture from before because it was brand new, and I mean, it still has its little dome on top. So I was doing really, really good with using this item. I think I stopped when I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow because I really like the way that is to set the rest of my face. But I have no problem with this. I really do enjoy it. So my goal, of course, my goal for the end of the year is to at least hit pan on this product. But I think that the goal I'm going to set myself to have, you know, for this month is to use it, let's say 20 times. Let's say 20 times. So the next product is Emis, I believe I'm saying it right, but it is the Pro Collagen Rose Face Oil. And this product I used 25 times. I have been really, really enjoying this face oil. This is how much I have left. I actually had to stop for a little while to give it a break, but I think I am going to keep on pushing so that way I can at least finish one out of, you know, the project pan. I don't know if people are doing like a rolling project pan when it comes to this project pan, but I think that's what I'm going to do. Like when I finish an item, I'm going to take out something else brand new. I think that would be pretty cool. So my goal for this month is to try to at least finish this product within this month. So if I use it every single day, I think I can do, you know, a pretty good shot. You figured it was brand new. I used it 25 times and it's, you know, like halfway done. So maybe, just maybe, I could be able to finish this up within this month. So the next item is from Dose Colors, and this is the Most lip gloss. To be honest with you, I have not been using it. So I put this in my bag for school, and as you know, with everything going on, I no longer go to school, and I have left this in my bag. It's a really, really pretty, glittery, sparkly lip gloss, and their lip gloss formula is really, really good. It is a little bit sticky, but it's not like, you know, those old lip glosses, Victoria's Secret type sticky. I only used it 8 times, which, I mean, we're in April, so 8 times is really, really bad. So I'm going to keep this on top of my vanity since I'm sitting at my vanity every single day because, you know, I do my homework here, the kids do their work here, and I have been filming. So I'm going to leave it on top of my vanity. Definitely going to make sure that I use it. My goal for the next month is to at least use it, let's say 12 times. Let's say 12 times. So the next item, it is the Physicians Formula CC Cream. So basically, the item that I put in was the Maybelline BB Cream. It was the little blue BB Cream. And when I went to go use it, it was expired. It came out so watery, so nasty, and it was so disgusting because it actually expired in 2018 and I never even noticed. Then I put this product in. This is the Super CC Cream. This is in the shade light medium, and honestly I have not used it. So since I have not used it, I'm actually going to change that product out. I'm going to change this product for another product that is new, but I kind of only used it twice. So I used it the first time I tried it, and then I used it today for my makeup. But yeah, I'm going to change this out. I'm going to test this out on its own, but I will be replacing this. I know I should at least try to keep it in for another month, but I'm just not. It's been there since, what, 3 months, because I actually tried to use the BB cream like a month after, and I still have not touched this. So I would rather use something that's been open a little bit longer than try to finish this. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so now it's time for the items that I am bringing in. I'm going to be replacing the Milani Easy Brow Pencil with this Brow Wiz from ABH. This is in the shade medium brown. It's basically brand new. Let me see. I guess I could stroll it up. I don't know. I really don't want to put it up all the way, but I will try to take a picture of it. It's literally 4 o'clock in the morning right now, and I gotta get ready for bed. So this is what I'm replacing it with. My goal is to finish it, and I do think that I will be able to finish it before the year is up. Now, I'm not a fan of like brow pencils, like to do my whole brow. That's what it looks like, just in case. But I do like to outline my eyebrows, especially now that we can't get our eyebrows done. My eyebrows are kind of crazy, so that's that. I'm gonna try to use it at least 10 times within the next month. And then to replace the Physicians Formula CC Cream, I'm going to be rolling in this Wet n Wild Pump Makeup Blocker. This is a BB cream. It does come with a highlighter and a color corrector on the top. I'm not going to be using that, but you know, I had this for like, what, a year already? I believe so. I think I had it for a year already. Wet n Wild still sells it. They actually have it on sale for like $5.49. Not a lot of people even know about this. Not a lot of people even talk about this. It comes with a spatula and it's like this. So this is how much product I have left. And you can see through the tube, but it is kind of thick. So I know that as I use it up, I can be able to scrape the sides. But it doesn't seem to, like, you know, separate or go down, or what, I don't even know what that word is. So I'll definitely have to scrape the sides to be able to see more, but that's okay. I don't have a problem with it. I put it on my face today. I really do enjoy it. It's kind of a little bit darker for me right now, but it is a BB cream, so you can't really tell. So that is it. That is basically everything in this New Decade project pan. I replaced the 2 items that I just really was not feeling, and I set my little goals for the next month. I'm happy that I finally was able to sit down and do this update. Most of the time it's just that I'm just too lazy to gather up the products and update you guys. But I am going to work harder in updating you guys with this project pan at least every 2 months, and my other project pans at least every month, 2 months the most. But I do just want to say thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.